Hi, I have a question from a student in regards to question 7 from homework sheet number 3. And he was wondering if the heterozygous capital R, little r, ends up being an orange fruit, seeing we have R for red and Y for yellow. And if you mix the two colors, we get orange. Please don't confuse this with codominance and the other one. Yeah, look it up. They would use capital letters for the yellow, so we would have used capital Y for yellow fruit to say that it is also dominant. Now this is clearly um, a, a dominant versus recessive, so it is just a case of either red or yellow. One thing I will note, the student needs to carefully look at the question. So here we have homozygous for red. So the fact the word means homo means exactly the same. So one of the parents should have been R, little capital R, capital R. Let's get this to work. Come on. Capital R, capital R. That's the first mistake. The second mistake is that for the plant here, they didn't say whether it was hetero or homo. They don't need to. Remember, yellow fruit, which is recessive, therefore, we have to assume that they have to be dominant or homozygous recessive. They have to be two little r's. And as a result, we're going to have every one of them being a R, little r, and so they'll all be red fruit. Hopefully that helps people with question 7.